Hello and welcome to another Third Hard Pro video. Now this is a very quick unboxing. It's not gonna be very long, but I have used my Galaxy Buds FE for a long time, which has been really good. I've been using it for 2 years. It's just that I dropped it and the wing was causing it to stop like charging every now and then. So I decided to get something new, but at the same time I noticed that hey, maybe they may come up with the newer model of the FE or something, because this came out during the time of the S23 FE. So we've passed through S24 FE and now we're almost getting to S25 FE. So hey, it was time for a refresh, right? But with this design, I wanted this design. I really don't like the Steam design of the Buds 3 Pro. So here's the box of the FE. Very cool. Now I just picked up this Buds Core that just came out in my country. That's like, it costs $50 plus tax of, that would be like $53.49, but $50 for this Buds Core. And I was really looking forward to it because it will be a replacement of this. Not the Buds 3 FE. That one is still the Steam design. No. This is the continuation of the Buds design, and this is good. They changed the position of the logos. I don't know why. But yes, I'm gonna compare with the Buds FE and see how good they are. I'm gonna be using my tablet that I have on the side. Let's see if I can open it with hands, while I should be using my scissors, just like always, right? Just like always. Oh. Jeez, I'm gonna destroy this box. Ah, there you go. This one is easier. Alright. So it opens like this, rather than like this, like with usually flagship stuff. You know, here will be the buds, and here will be the cables and the extra size tips. Over here will be the manual and warranty information. So let's see how this box experience is. The vendor, the seller, like the Samsung seller, I went to a physical store, right? A physical kiosk, Samsung kiosk that was there at the mall. They said it does not come with cables. If this is true, bro, I'm gonna be so freaking disappointed at Samsung again, because they really be removing everything from the box just for them to sell them separately, because ooh, I don't know, it's just one more money, to be honest. But they still make the best products. To be not gonna lie, they make the best products. Okay, so this is a box inside a box, and this is, I suppose, this will be the what's this? The butt size. Oh yeah, the butt size. Okay, cool. Keep them inside. I think by default will be the medium size, which is the best fit for me. And this will be the wings. Please let it be the wings. Yep, they are the wings. But only the flat ones, not the bigger ones or anything. So by default you get medium, just like with the Buds FE. The Buds FE, I think it comes with only like two sizes plus the included one, so that would be 2 sizes in total of the wings. And it's not like the Buds Plus or the Galaxy Buds from 2019 that came with like 3 different sizes. The case is black. I like it. I like it more than the Buds FE already. The casing is blacked out, completely blacked out. Let's see if it supports wireless charging. I doubt it, but let's see if it does. Maybe how to put it like this. Yep, no wireless charging. Yep, no wireless charging on this. Just like with the Buds FE, which is a shame, but I mean, they're supposed to be mid-range, like budget mid-range earbuds, so it's not surprising. Let me put this back in the box. I don't need to change anything here. They're already good enough. Oh, it looks so fine. Oh yeah, it does detect it. Ooh, it has a blue light. Okay, let's get this connected through my tablet, because I don't want the phone is recording, so I'm gonna make it connect to the phone. Let's see. Buds Core, new device found. Oh freak. Let's do the setup process then. That's it? Ah, okay. Now it has to download the software. Okay, cool. Do it. I just bumped the camera. Now it's no longer like correctly set up. Oh. All right. I mean, I guess I should accept. Yeah. Everything ready. Oh, yes. I want to change the name of it though. I don't like naming them like this. But Score has noise cancelling, which is good. No, that was something new for the Buds FE. And then I'll have to like, oh, look at the features. Oh, yeah, do this and do that. And then you try to make sure that they're put on correctly. I'm gonna put it on. But yeah, look at the buds. Wings, the wings! Give me the wings, give me the buds. Oh, it's glossy. It's like completely blacked out compared to the Buzz FE, which they have like a gloss. Like, I mean, it's a matte finish, which looks good, but it's matte and it's not as black. It's not as dark. But this one is like completely black. Like, actually, let me just do a quick comparison. Let's put this the left with the left. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this looks so much better. But let's see if it sounds much better. It's commonplace. It's a very commonplace. All right, of course. Wait, is it putting noise canceling? Yeah, I did put noise canceling, bro. I don't know. Maybe it's better. I don't know. But I'm going to disable them for now. Let's see it. Oh, it has different sounds too. It does not sound like like it sounds more like neutral. Let's see if it has that sound. Let's see. I'm gonna close it up. Okay. Then open it up. Put them on immediately. Oh, okay, it sounds different. Okay, it has a different sounds, which I kinda miss the original one. The original ones has this one, the Buds F3 sounds. It's from the like 2019 Galaxy Buds. This is a bit strange that I have the entire freaking movie here, but I have a specific part that I recognize so much because I heard it so many goddamn times. Let's see. Oh, by the way, I got Dolby Atmos enabled. Where's it? Here's the Dolby Atmos and it's on music. So let's listen. So the eyes, mojitos on the inside. Whole lights realize, but again, hi, baby, nice try. I'm about to switch up this vibe. I finally open my eyes. It's time to kick you straight back into the night. Alright, I'm gonna try the other headphones now. The Buds FE. Let's see how different it sounds. I think it will sound the same considering this. And the Buds FE. I mean, the Buds Core is cheaper than the Buds FE. The Buds FE was priced at launch. It was like 150, while the Buds Core is $50. It's like extremely cheap. Let's see. Does it connect? Yeah. Okay. There you go. I thought I could just have both of them play at the same time, but I think that would be through here, right? Yeah, okay. Play it. Oh, it does. It is possible. Oh, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. Okay. They sound exactly the same. It sounds exactly the same. Oh, it's crazy. I got two earbuds playing at the same time. Just one from the left and the other one from the right. Okay, this is actually good. They sound the same though. It sounds exactly the same for a cheaper price than the Buds FE at launch. Bro, Samsung just killed it. They just killed it. Completely blacked out case if you buy the black color, of course, because the white one is gonna be easy to tell if it's dirty. Yes. This is a really good, extremely good budget earbuds, but at the same time, I'm not an audio expert or whatever. You can ask Flossie Carter about that. I don't know. Hopefully he makes a video about it, but I don't think that those are sold in the US. It's most likely could be like a only available in markets where they think it's third world or some bullshit like that. So hey, there you go. Galaxy Buds FE versus Galaxy Buds Core. Same shit, better color, different sound on the notifications, like when you put them on and stuff. What else? Cheaper price at launch. Maybe the Buds FE would be like cheaper than this. Then yeah, maybe pick up the Buds FE. But I like the blacker color, the glossy black color. Now it looks good, bro. I really like this. So yeah, that's basically it. See ya.